Hello there, my name is Mr. OMG. PSLE questions, primary. At first, John had some $10 notes and $2 notes in the ratio of 3 to 8. $10 notes and $2 notes in the amount of 3 to 8. Okay, since this is ratio, we're gonna use unitary models, which is this is 3 unit and this is 8 unit. Okay. After exchanging two $10 note for $2 notes, okay, two $10 notes, that's equals to $20, and that's make 10 $2 notes. Okay, so two $10 notes equals to two $2 notes. Okay, yeah. Then the ratio after that become 1 to 3. Okay, yeah. So this is we minus 2 and this is plus 10. Okay, yeah, because we exchanging two $10 note into 10 $2 notes. Okay, yeah, and this the new ratio will be 1 to 3. Okay, yeah, we're gonna use cross multiplication where this times this equals to this times that. Okay, cross multiplication, which is 9 unit, 3 times 3 unit is 9 unit minus 6. This will equals to 8 unit plus 10. Okay, and this the difference, 9 unit and 8 unit become 1 unit, while minus 6 and 10 plus 10, the difference is 16. So 1 unit here equals to 16. This is a method to find 1 unit. Okay, yeah? So basically from here we know that $10 note there is 48 because 1 unit is 16, 3 unit is 48. Yeah? While $2 note there are 128 notes of $2. Okay, yeah? In total, the amount of money that will be 48 notes of $10, which is 480, plus 128 times $2 notes. In total, there will be 736. And the total, the amount of money Johnny had is 736, and that's the answer. PSLE questions number 2. This is hardest questions ever. A farmer has some chickens and ducks if he has chicken and ducks. So there is two cases here. The first case is if he sells 2 chickens and 3 ducks every day, there will be 50 chickens less when all the ducks have been sold, which is 0. Yeah. And the second case, if he sells 3 chickens and 2 ducks every day, there will be 25 chickens left and 0 ducks left. Okay, think about it. Yeah. At first, the number of chickens and the number of ducks should be the same. Okay, yeah. Let's say after how many days, it's different. The first case and second case. Let's say the amount of ducks that will be 6 unit at first. Okay, yeah. 6 unit. There will be 2 unit days after 2 unit days, and this is 3 unit days. Why? Because at first the number of ducks should be the same. Okay, yeah. And since the number of chicken is also the same, okay, so we can say at first the chicken from the first case is 50 plus 2 chicken times 2 unit days. Okay, yeah. While it's same equals to at first from the second case, which is 25 plus 3 chickens times 3 unit days. Okay, yeah. From here we can see that the difference, this is 4 unit and this is 10 units, so this is 5 unit the difference, equals to the difference 50 and 25, 25. So from here we can get 1 unit equals to 5. Okay, yeah. So how many chickens and duck at first? Okay, yeah. Let's use the first case. Okay, first case. After how many days? 2 unit, that means after 10 days. Okay, 10 days. So after 10 days, okay, yeah, the chickens will be 50 plus 2 chicken times 10 days. Okay, yeah. 2 chickens per day times 10 day, which is 70 chickens, while the ducks will be 2 units, 3 ducks per day times 10 days, which is 30. And that's the answer, which is the ducks will be 30 and chickens will be 70. That's the answer. PSLE questions, hardest one. There are 85 plates of fried noodles for 80 people, each adult, each 2 plates fried of noodles, and every 3 children shares 1 plate of fried noodles. Okay, there is two variable here, which is adults and children. Let's say there are x and y. X number of adults and y number of children. Okay, yeah. So we know that number of adults plus number of children, there will be 80 peoples. So x plus y, that will be 80. Okay, yeah. While each adult will eat 2 plates, while every 3 children will share 1 fried noodles. So we can say x times 2 plus y divided by 3, that will be total 85, because 3 children each 1 plates, yeah, they share. So we multiply by 3 the second equations, we get 6x, yeah, times 3 plus y, that will be 85 times 3, which is 255. Okay, yeah. Look at these two. When we minus them, we get 5x equals to 175, and 175 divided by 5 will be 35. 80 minus 35, there will be 45. That means there will be 35 adults and 45 children, and that's the answer. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment, because your comment will be featured in the YouTube shorts. Thank you.